Are you free for coffee today?
Yes, I have time this afternoon.
I feel like a warm drink and a snack.
Me too. I skipped lunch and I'm a bit hungry.
There's a small cafe near the park.
Great. I like quiet places with simple food.
What do you usually drink at a cafe?
I usually get a latte or a cappuccino.
I like coffee, but sometimes I choose tea.
Do you put sugar in your coffee?
No, I prefer it without sugar.
I add a little milk, but no sugar for me.
Do you eat breakfast at home most days?
Yes, most mornings I eat oatmeal with fruit.
I often make eggs and toast for breakfast.
What about lunch on work days?
I pack a salad or a sandwich for lunch.
I often make chicken salad with tomatoes and cucumbers.
That sounds fresh and healthy.
Thanks. I try to cook simple meals.
What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like soups, pasta, and baked vegetables.
Pasta is my comfort food on cold days.
Same here. I love spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Do you cook dinner tonight or eat out?
I'm cooking tonight. Maybe a vegetable soup.
What ingredients do you need for the soup?
Carrots, onions, potatoes, celery, and a little garlic.
I have garlic and onions at home if you need some.
Thanks.
Do you like spicy food?
A little spicy is fine, but not too much.
I enjoy curry with rice and vegetables.
That is a good dinner for a busy day.
Do you remember the cafe with the blue door?
Yes, they have good sandwiches and soups.
I love their tomato soup with basil.
My favorite is their turkey sandwich with fresh bread.
Do you want to meet there at 3?
3 works for me. I can walk from my office.
Are you trying to eat less sugar this month?
Yes, I am not eating sweets during the week.
I try to choose fruit instead of cake.
Apples and berries are my usual snacks.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
I keep a bottle on my desk to remind me.
I do the same. It really helps.
Do you cook on Sundays for the week?
Sometimes I cook rice, chicken, and vegetables for the week.
That definitely saves time and money.
Yes, and I feel less stressed about dinner.
How do you make your tomato sauce?
I cook onions and garlic in a pan, add tomatoes, and simmer.
Do you add herbs like basil?
Yes, a little basil and a little salt.
I also add a small spoon of olive oil.
That gives the sauce a nice taste.
Do you like black coffee in the morning?
Only sometimes. I usually drink coffee with milk.
I need coffee to start my day.
Same for me.
Do you like to try new cafes when you travel?
Yes, I love local cafes in new cities.
I like to write down new foods I try.
What pastry do you like with coffee?
A croissant or a muffin is perfect.
I like banana muffins and almond croissants.
Do you cook with friends on weekends?
Yes, we make pizza at home and share it.
Homemade pizza is fun and tasty.
We chop vegetables, grate cheese, and bake the dough.
What toppings do you prefer?
I like mushrooms, tomatoes, and a little chicken.
I add olives and spinach to my half.
Do you have any food allergies?
No, but I avoid too much dairy.
I feel better when I use non-dairy milk.
Almond milk works well in coffee.
Yes, and oat milk makes it creamy.
Do you watch cooking videos online?
Yes, they help me learn cooking tips.
I learned to boil pasta until it is soft but firm.
Do you have a favorite kitchen tool?
My sharp knife and a wooden spoon are my favorites.
A good pan also makes cooking easier.
I agree. A heavy pan heats food evenly.
What do you want to order at the cafe today?
I want a small latte and a turkey sandwich.
And I will get some tomato soup and maybe a dessert.
We can sit by the window and talk.
After that, I need to go to the grocery store.
Me too. I need carrots, peppers, and broccoli for dinner.
Maybe you can get some herbs too.
Yes, fresh basil makes everything better.
Perfect. See you at 3 at the cafe near the park.
Perfect. I will be there on time.
Wow, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. If you want to practice more real life English, subscribe to the channel. And let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.